Similes Simplified, describing the world with ease. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of descriptive language techniques. Specifically, we're going to talk about similes, one of the most effective ways to breathe life into your conversations and writings. A simile is a figure of speech that compares one thing with another thing of a different kind, to make a description more emphatic or vivid. Usually, similes are introduced by words like as or like. For instance, when you say, "She is as brave as a lion," or "He swims like a fish," you're using similes. You might be wondering, why bother with similes? The beauty of similes is that they can help us convey ideas with more clarity, creativity, and impact. By comparing one thing to another, you're painting a picture in the listener's or reader's mind, making your message more memorable. Recognizing similes in everyday speech and literature can help you understand their usage better. Common phrases such as clear as crystal, fight like cats and dogs, or as busy as a bee, are all similes. They compare one thing to another in a way that makes the comparison vivid and impactful. Creating your own similes is a fun exercise that can really boost your descriptive skills. Start with a simple sentence like, "The boy ran fast." Now, use a simile to make it more descriptive, such as, "The boy ran fast like a cheetah." Keep practicing, and you'll see how similes add a dash of creativity to your English. Well, that's a wrap on our introduction to similes. We've learned that similes are a powerful descriptive language technique that can add depth and vividness to your speech or writing. I hope you found this discussion enlightening and that you're excited to start using similes in your English language journey. Remember, learning is like a sea voyage. The more you explore, the more treasures you find. So keep exploring, and until our next lesson, keep practicing your English.